Creating a DIY Christmas wreath is a perfect way to bring a personal touch to your holiday decor. Whether you prefer a traditional look or want to try something unique and modern, crafting your wreath gives you the opportunity to incorporate your style and imagination. It's not just about decorating your home, it's about making memories as you bring your creation to life. In this video, we'll explore various ideas and techniques for making beautiful DIY wreaths that will become the focal point of your festive season. When it comes to Christmas wreaths, the traditional style often evokes the warmest memories of the season. These wreaths typically feature a combination of lush green evergreens such as fir, pine, or spruce, which symbolize everlasting life. To create a traditional Christmas wreath, start with a sturdy base, like a metal or grapevine frame, which can hold the weight of the natural elements. Begin by layering the greenery, securing each piece with floral wire, creating a dense, full wreath that will last throughout the season. To give it that classic holiday touch, adorn your wreath with traditional red ribbons, pine cones, holly berries, and small ornaments. You could also add some gold or silver accents for a more elegant finish. Using fresh greenery adds a pleasant natural fragrance, while faux berries and pine cones will give a long-lasting effect. A bright red bow at the top or center is the perfect finishing touch for a wreath that will instantly capture the holiday spirit. Another great addition to a traditional wreath is a mix of textures. Use velvet or satin ribbons for that luxurious feel, and combine different types of pine cones for a dynamic look. Don't forget to add a few touches of greenery, such as eucalyptus or ivy, which provide contrast to the fir branches. For those who prefer a bit of sparkle, small glittery accents in gold or silver can be added throughout the wreath to give it an extra festive glow. This traditional style wreath makes a lovely entryway decoration and sets the tone for a warm, cozy home during the holiday season. If these DIY Christmas wreath ideas inspired your festive creativity, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love adding a personal touch to their holiday decor. For those who love a more rustic, farmhouse-inspired Christmas, a wreath made with natural materials and simple accents is the perfect choice. This style embraces earthy elements, such as twigs, burlap ribbons, and natural wood accents, giving it a charming, down-to-earth feel. Start by creating a base from a wire wreath frame, then layer on a variety of natural textures, such as pine cones, cotton bolls, and dried oranges. You could even incorporate a few sprigs of faux snow for that wintry touch. One of the key features of a rustic farmhouse wreath is its simplicity. Instead of overcrowding your wreath with too many embellishments, focus on a few standout pieces that will really shine. A burlap bow, for example, adds warmth and texture to the wreath without being too overpowering. To enhance the rustic vibe, consider using wooden ornaments or even small wooden signs with holiday sayings like "Merry and Bright" or "Home for the Holidays." This style is also very versatile. You can switch up the elements for a different feel. For a more woodland look, consider adding small animal figurines, like a reindeer or owl, or use plaid ribbons to bring in a cozy, homespun feel. The beauty of rustic wreaths lies in their ability to be both timeless and modern, offering a touch of nostalgia while embracing the current trend of natural, sustainable decor. Whether you hang it on your door or use it as a centerpiece, a rustic farmhouse wreath brings an undeniable charm to your holiday space. Which DIY wreath are you planning to make this Christmas? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your holiday crafting ideas. If you're someone who enjoys clean lines, neutral tones, and minimal decor, a modern wreath might be the perfect choice for your Christmas style. These wreaths often feature monochromatic color schemes, geometric shapes, and sleek materials, creating a sophisticated and contemporary look. To start, choose a simple wreath frame, such as a metal circle or a geometric shape like a triangle or square, to serve as the base. For the greenery, select evergreen branches that are sparse and minimalistic, leaving space for negative space within the wreath. Instead of a dense coverage of foliage, aim for a modern, airy look by strategically placing greenery in a pattern or along one side of the wreath. This style allows the natural beauty of the greenery to shine without overwhelming the eyes. Next, consider using neutral colored accents, such as white or silver ornaments, to maintain the minimalist aesthetic. You can also use metallic elements like copper or gold for a modern twist. A thin, minimalist ribbon in a neutral tone or geometric shapes, such as stars or circles, can also be added to give the wreath a contemporary finish. These modern wreaths are ideal for those who appreciate a clean and uncluttered holiday design. A modern, minimalist wreath can be perfect for contemporary homes, modern apartments, or anyone who wants to add a chic touch to their holiday decor without overloading the space with traditional Christmas elements. For more DIY projects and Christmas decoration inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always updated with our latest festive videos. For those who want to step outside the box and make their wreath truly one of a kind, there are countless creative DIY ideas to explore. From wreaths made entirely out of unusual materials to unique themes that fit your personal style, the possibilities are endless. Start with a basic wreath frame, then think about incorporating unexpected elements like fabric strips, feathers, or even upcycled items. For a playful, whimsical look, consider using colorful yarn to create a pom-pom wreath. This wreath can be a fun way to incorporate your favorite colors into the holiday decor. You can also use twigs or branches to form a nature-inspired wreath, and then decorate it with bright, colorful ornaments or LED lights for a magical touch. If you're a fan of the bohemian look, use feathers, beads, and tassels to create a boho-inspired wreath that makes a statement. A great DIY wreath idea is to create a wreath using all kinds of vintage finds. Old Christmas ornaments, buttons, and even lace ribbons can be used to create a unique wreath that feels nostalgic and personal. Another creative option is to use a foam wreath base and attach mini pine cones, cranberries, or even small gift boxes for a more whimsical and personalized touch. For those who want to make a wreath that celebrates the season's natural beauty, consider a wreath made entirely of dried flowers and grasses. These can create a rustic and elegant look, perfect for those who enjoy a more natural, eco-friendly approach to holiday decorating. The beauty of DIY wreaths is that they offer the opportunity to let your imagination run wild and create something truly unique for your home. Check out our DIY Christmas playlist for more creative holiday ideas, from wreaths to decorations that will make your home shine this season. As we've seen, creating your own DIY Christmas wreath can be a rewarding and fun experience that allows you to infuse your personality and creativity into your holiday decor. Whether you prefer traditional, rustic, modern, or completely unique wreaths, there's a style to suit every taste and every home. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you have complete control over the design, materials, and personal touches that make it truly yours. This holiday season, why not get crafty and create a wreath that brings joy and festive cheer to your home? With just a few simple supplies, some inspiration, and a little imagination, you can make a wreath that's not only beautiful but also meaningful. Whether it's your first wreath or you're a seasoned crafter, this is the perfect project to celebrate the season of giving and togetherness. Thank you for joining me as we explored the world of DIY Christmas wreaths. I hope you feel inspired to start your own wreath project and make your home feel as warm and festive as ever. The joy of creating something with your own hands is a special experience, and there's nothing like seeing your finished wreath hanging on your door, ready to greet guests with the holiday spirit. Ready to start crafting your own wreath? Head to the description for links to all the supplies used in today's video, so you can create your own stunning holiday decor. Remember, Christmas is about more than just the decorations. It's about the memories you make, the moments shared, and the love you spread. So, as you craft your wreath, take a moment to enjoy the process and create something that will bring smiles to your face for years to come. Wishing you all the best this holiday season, and happy wreath making. As we've seen, creating your own DIY Christmas wreath can be a rewarding and fun experience that allows you to infuse your personality and creativity into your holiday decor. Whether you prefer traditional, rustic, modern, or completely unique wreaths, there's a style to suit every taste and every home. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you have complete control over the design, materials, and personal touches that make it truly yours. This holiday season, why not get crafty and create a wreath that brings joy and festive cheer to your home? With just a few simple supplies, some inspiration, and a little imagination, you can make a wreath that's not only beautiful but also meaningful. Whether it's your first wreath or you're a seasoned crafter, this is the perfect project to celebrate the season of giving and togetherness. Thank you for joining me as we explored the world of DIY Christmas wreaths.